Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to teach you how you can organize your My Tasks section in your Asana workspace, for example, to keep a better overview of all ongoing, currently ongoing, or already completed tasks in your workspace on Asana. So let us guide you through this. It is actually no rocket science. Head over to your workspace on Asana, and here on the left-hand side, select My Tasks, or if you'd like to access these through the Home section, simply click on that Home button and click on My Tasks here. So guys, as you can see below, you will see a list of all ongoing or already completed tasks divided into different sections like do next week, do today, recently assigned, and so on and so forth. You may switch between these views here at the top, for example, from the default list view to a board view, like on Trello, for example, or to a calendar view, and so on and so forth. And you can do quite a lot of stuff here in your My Task section. For example, you may add a new task to your section by clicking on this button here, give the task a name, like, I don't know, task number 5, and customize and edit your task by clicking on that arrow to the right icon here. And for example, assign assignees or team members, set due dates, priorities, upload and attach files, and so on and so forth, or mark the given task as complete. Speaking of marking tasks and milestones as complete, you may do that by simply clicking on that check mark icon next to the given task or milestone here to mark it as complete. And if the given task or milestone hasn't been completed yet entirely, you may simply unselect that checkbox to mark it back as incomplete. So guys, what you want to do after that is add more sections to your My Tasks overview here by clicking on Add Section here. For example, do next month or something like that. And simply keep adding more sections. You may also customize these sections by clicking on these three dots here, delete them, duplicate them, rename them, add rules to them, and so on and so forth. So let me delete that one here for the sake of this tutorial. And after that, guys, you may, for instance, organize this My Tasks section in your Asana workspace by moving the position or by changing the position of your tasks. For example, if you'd like to move that task here from recently assigned to, let's say, do next week, simply left click or click and hold on that handle here on the left on these 6 dots here and simply move your task to its new location, like do next week, and release your mouse here. And that is going to move the task to its new section. And what you want to do after that, guys, is, for example, filter your tasks, for instance, by various filters. Apply filters like incomplete task, completed. You may add also custom filters. You may sort your tasks here in that overview by due date, by start date, by alphabetically, the modification date, the creation date, and so on and so forth. You may add also more fields. As you can see, the default fields are due date, collaborators, project, task visibility. You may add a new field like here, for example, let's say priority or something like that, or go with one of these here. You may also click on show more to see more of them, like tags, and so on and so forth. And that's basically it, guys. That's how you organize your My Task section in a nutshell here on Asana. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some real value from it, and we'll see you next time.